Another new feature of AutoCAD Electrical 2024 is the opportunity they have now to create a table of the symbols, the schematic symbols used in your project. So you can do that like in graphical symbols like this and a description, or you can insert it as a text table like this, like the usual reports. So we will then just start with a blank page, and we will go to our reports tab and say that we want to create this new report we have available here. I also want to do it for my entire project. I want to display the horizontal block, so it will filter out the vertical versions automatically here, include terminals. I don't need them, and also the PLCs are excluded when we set this filter here. We can also do stuff here like change the order of the families if we want some specific order. We have this symbol description file. This is where you will have, let's just have a look at this one, open with Notepad. It is just where you can insert block name and a custom description for that symbol. But if we now just continue like we usually do with the report generator, we say that we want to extract data from the entire project, and we now have a list here of the blocks here. And you can see we have the quantity and we have the tag name. If I now say I want to put this on the drawing, you can see it just filtered out some blocks here, of course, the PLCs like I told it to, but all this will be generated then. How many symbols per column? Let's say 10 here, and we should start the table at 1.5. Okay, I have to click here, 1.5, and then 10. Something like this. Notice I told it to insert the block, the quantity, and the tags used. If I try to do that, it will not do that. It will only insert the symbol graphics here and just the description, not tag, not quantity, not anything like this. And also, it will not generate multiple pages. So if this report will span over multiple pages, you will just manually have to cut stuff out and then copy to a different page. So this would be the correct one. But again, kind of unnecessary that you have to do this manually, but well, it is what it is. So if you want a symbol list that contains more information like the quantity and the tags, you will then need to run the same report, same settings. You'll do OK, extract the data, and you say put it on the drawing. You see I want the blocks, I want the quantity and the tag names. But if I want this and on the drawing, I need to insert it as a text table. And that basically means that we will not get any of the formatting, any of the graphics or the symbols. It will just be texts. So I can just place it like this. And you can see it's just a table with the block name, the quantity, and the tag name. No graphics at all. So that's it for the new features of AutoCAD Electrical 2024. The symbol table, I'd like to show you how this is done in ePlan as well. So that would be a report, of course. So I would just go in and create a new report template for a symbol overview. I will choose a form to use, and I want this to be located in the reports folder. Start at page 60, and then I will just generate it. And now I have generated my symbol overview over here. So from page to page throughout my project. And you are of course free to add whatever property, whatever column you want to show here in here.